In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make forms, surveys, and quizzes. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account so you're working in the right workspace. Once you're in, head to the Sites section. This is where you manage website assets, and it's also where you'll find the builders we need. Open Forms, then choose Builder. Click Add Form to start from scratch. A form is a simple way to collect structured information, like names, emails, or addresses. Each field maps to a contact record, so when someone submits, their details are saved and organized for you. Forms are great for contact pages, registrations, and lead capture. Click Create to open the canvas. Give your form a clear name so you can find it later and report on it easily. Now edit the form by dragging the address field into the editor. You can adjust labels, set fields as required, and rearrange anything with drag and drop. When you're happy, click Save to preserve your changes. Then go back to Sites to move on. Next, open Surveys and click Builder. Click Create New. A survey is designed to gather opinions and feedback. Think satisfaction ratings, preferences, or quick research. Unlike a basic form, surveys often include a sequence of question types that help you understand sentiment and trends. In this example, drag in full name, then date of birth, then phone, then email, and finally address. This sequence collects profile data you can use for segmentation. Rename the survey for clarity, click Save, and then click back to return to the main area. Now open Quizzes and select Builder. Click Add Quiz. A quiz guides people through questions and can qualify leads or educate users while capturing details. It supports different question styles so you can tailor the experience. Rename your quiz, then drag in full name, email, and phone so you can follow up with participants. Add single choice for a question with one correct or best answer, multiple choice for questions allowing more than one selection, and a yes/no for quick confirmations. Include a long answer for detailed explanations or open responses. To keep things tidy, click Add New Page to break content into steps and reduce overwhelm. On the new page, drag in a short answer for a concise response. When everything looks good, click Save. You've now created a form to capture leads, a survey to gather insights, and a quiz to engage and qualify your audience. That's it for this walkthrough. Subscribe for more.